Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the rain preferences on the CMap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the settings icon and go to the Weather Preferences section. And here you can find the rain option, and just drag the line and set the ideal value and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.